Racing just started. We have bombs break quickly at the start. Power of the wind, mesmerage. In the middle portion comes Master's Degree. Gen Spirit comes next. Decent Proposal. And somehow, while Mika's Pride is the early trailer, when as they swing down the back, we have bombs by our length. Power of the wind in second. Master's Degree is racing into the alongside comes Miss Mirage. Gen Spirit comes next. Mika's Pride. Recent Proposal second last. Well, somehow now racing in 8 back to the leader. We have bombs by about 2 lengths. And in second comes Power of the Wind. Master's Degree now coming closer in third. Next on Lanis Mesmeraz. Gen Spirit. Mika's Pride comes next. Decent Proposal. Well, somehow we still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Power of the Wind by over the length. Bones, Masters Degree as they swing for home. Power of the Wind by over the length. Anyhow, Masters Degree in second and on the outside. Bones, with about 75 meters of the race. We have Power of the Wind followed by Masters Degree. Then comes Bombs, Decent Proposal, Gen Spirit,